hope I have enough battery for this video. I am back with another hair tutorial slash hair video. I'm reviewing a wig from YS Wigs. They sent me this really cute little satin bag. Also, here is their cute little box that they have here. It came with a bunch of stuff I want to show you guys. We're gonna get into that later, but first I will show you guys how I straighten this hair and also how I kind of customize it and pluck it a little bit on camera. I also bleached the knots to this wig, so I think I did a really good job on this one specifically. The knots really took well to the bleaching and it didn't get on any of the hair, and also you can still see the scalp here. It doesn't look like an orange color or anything. I didn't even have to like tone it or anything. So I think I did a really good job on this unit as far as the customization. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys on camera like what I did with it, and then I'm gonna get into the specs and the details and all that good stuff. Well, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is me kind of bleaching two wigs at once. I bleached both of the knots on both of them, so if you already saw this clip in a different video, that's why you're seeing it again. I used the 40 volume developer in a bleach lightener, and this is the beautiful wig from YS Wigs that they sent me. It obviously has a slight body wave in it, and I'm just kind of going in with the spray bottle around the perimeter of the hair so that I can go ahead and also pluck more of the frontal. They already have it pre-plucked. I just want to go ahead and do some more of that because I'm really detailed with this. I kind of want it to look as natural as possible, and they already did a great job, but I wanted to go in there more and see what else that I could fix it with. So I'm not just plucking in the front of the hair, I'm also kind of going backwards just because I don't want everything to be in the front. You don't want to pluck too much and then have really huge bald spots. I'm also going in with my brush. I'm just kind of getting the hair out that I've already plucked off the wig. You don't want to have the excess hair kind of still on there or else it's going to just kind of shed. And look how much flatter the top is already. I didn't even put any gel or anything. And I went ahead and I put on the wig and it just laid so nicely. I didn't even have to flatten the top, and it's a really good wig. I'm also brushing it out a little bit more, and now I'm gonna go in and just kind of straighten the hair lightly. I didn't have to do much with this at all, and I barely had to pass it through. I'm also going through the ends and just flat ironing that. Again, this did not take me long at all to do, and after that I was pretty much done. And now we're going for the close-up and we're trying to see how I can customize this frontal. I'm just kind of pinning my hair back at the moment, and I'm just kind of making a new parting space because it wasn't that clean looking. And it could go back further, but the way the hair lays down the flattest, it's just giving me kind of like a 2-inch parting space, but I think it is actually 4.5. And I'm going in with some gel on the sides of my leave out just to kind of gel everything down and make it look seamless against the wig. I personally don't like to use the Got2b Glued every day, so if you want like a more effortless look, a regular gel will do, honestly. And I just go in with my finger as well as my rat tail comb. At this point, I already went through with my razor and cut some baby hairs out. I didn't have to do too much. I don't like a super pronounced baby hair on all of my wigs, so for this wig in particular, I just went for a really natural look because I did pretty well for the bleaching of the knots. It looks pretty seamless, it matches my hair scalp, it's all that I really needed to do, and yeah. Okay, so back into the details of this hair. All right, so this is a 20-inch wig. I'll show you all how long it is from afar. I know I'm wearing black, but I think in my last video I accidentally said that I was 5'2", but I'm 5'3". But yeah, so this is how the hair is looking. This is 130% for the density. This is how long it looks. I like this because it still looks full, but it doesn't look, or it doesn't feel too heavy, which is what I was kind of concerned about because I kind of don't like heavy hair. I feel like if it feels like it's just too much, it's kind of like annoying to deal with. Again, the knots took really well to the hair bleach. This wig also came with an entire comb set. I was shocked whenever I first saw this. So look at this. You just open this up, and it comes with this entire little set here, which I was really excited about. So I already have a ton of these rat tail combs, but I can always never have too much. And plus, whenever I sell wigs, I also like to kind of throw one in there that I never used before. So I guess this would be a really cool thing. I like how it has a couple of like Y2 combs, and also I could pick my afro with this. Finally, there's a couple of afro picks in here, which I was kind of looking forward to. They also put like a little cute little like Halloween type masquerade mask. And it comes with wig caps, pretty close to my scalp tone, not very much. I kind of like the darker ones, but this is still fine. But yeah, so this is YS Wigs. Okay, so for this wig, I did not have any shedding with this, like at all, and I was actually kind of shocked because it does have like a slight body wave to it. Whenever I run my fingers through it, nothing comes out, like barely anything comes out. So I was really happy with this. I have dealt with shedding in the past with like even straight hair wigs, but this one surprisingly works. Sorry, I've got like clothes in the back of my bed, but that's like, it's fine. I just wanted to go ahead and slightly straighten this. I literally only ran my flat iron through this like a couple of times, not very much at all. I didn't have to do too much to straighten this. So yeah, look how shiny the hair looks too after it's straightened. Like I didn't barely put any product. I think yesterday I put in some of like my curly hair products in here, so it's probably still moisturized from that, just because the hair obviously is like a light wave. But yeah, I think it just looks really, really good. Straight. I love it. You can just run your fingers through it. It has like a lot of body to it as well. It's really, really nice. I like the way that it feels. As far as shipping went, it took around a week and a half. So they're pretty fast. They also are very easy to contact, so when I'm talking to them, I don't have to like wait for a while. Like they pretty much contact me instantly. I do like how everything came in the package with the wig, like all the combs and stuff, and the mask is pretty cute, but like I like how they had a wig cap. I just wish that they would have had like an elastic band with this one. Luckily I already had my own elastic band to go ahead and sew this in there. I always sew in one with my wigs at all times, just because I think it just looks better and it feels better on my head, and so everything lays flat. Like I don't have to basically use any combs or anything like that to make everything lay down. It lays down really, really flat, even though I had like bulkier braids this month. So I just got really lazy. I didn't feel like, you know, going the extra mile and doing like 10 to 12 braids. I did like 6. So, but hopefully it looks okay. I'm gonna kind of like zoom in for you guys. Okay, so I didn't really do too much for this hairline. It was already pre-plucked and stuff, but this is kind of what it's looking like here. I could pluck some more. But as for now, I think I'm all right. I could definitely go in more in the back here and just make it more thin at the top. But since I do my hair kind of to the side, I don't really need to do that. I don't know, like with my straighter wigs, I'm more lazy than my curlier ones for some reason. I have no idea why. That's just kind of how I am. But I still think it looks fine. I like that it's laying down flat, and I like the part that I have right here. It does go back further, the part, but the hair kind of moves around here. So I'm just like leaving it down to where it looks as flat as it possibly can. And yeah, I just love it. I think it looks really, really natural. I think I do like 130% versus like 200, just because, I mean, 200% for hair density, it's great for like those glam type of days and stuff, but as an everyday thing, I'd rather have like a normal thickness for my wigs, if that makes sense. Okay, so everything comes to $234 even, and this is for a 20-inch wig. Body wave, 130% for the density. It looks really, really cute in my opinion. I feel like that's all that you need. Usually whenever I make my own wigs, they end up being around this thickness anyway. Sometimes thicker, it just depends on how I feel. I love it. I was gonna originally do like a half updo, but I would have rather the hair have been more like of a body wave for me to go ahead and do that. But you guys saw the hair in the beginning, it's kind of wavy, but this is how it's looking straight, and I just love the way that this looks. I think that's pretty much it as far as like the specs of the hair. Again, you can still see a little bit of the body wave kind of going on here. I don't mind leaving that in there. I don't feel like my hair has to look bone straight for me to love it. So it's not really gonna make much of a difference in my opinion. This is a natural hair color, so you can dye it if you would like, but I personally am lazy to also dye my wig, so it's not gonna happen. Yeah, I hope that you guys like this hair review. This wig is from, again, YS Wigs. I hope that you guys liked it. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. I'm going to be doing a lot of haul videos really soon. I have a Dolls Kill haul coming up. I wanted to kind of wait on that just to get a couple more things for that haul. I also have a Fashion Nova haul coming up, as well as a TB dress and another thrift haul. So I have a lot of clothing hauls coming up soon for this December. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. And also, if you guys want to see like more makeup videos or get ready with me videos, let me know. I kind of want to do something different. There's no excuse as to why I shouldn't be experimenting, because I do have like a lot of colorful makeup. I should kind of be utilizing it more, but I just don't. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this unit down below. Go ahead and check it out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.